Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I was playing around with the Extrude tool tonight and discovered a couple of things I wasn't aware of. I'm going to draw a six-sided polygon, and I am going to take the node right here and select it. I'm going to go turn it into a curve, and when I do that, all the sides will become a curve. Now, if I grab the Extrude tool from anywhere and just extrude it, I never knew this. You can kind of give it perspective like this, and then you can move your handle to make it not quite as thick of an extrude. But what you can also do is just click on it one time and you get these green arrows, and you can kind of rotate it to whatever angle you want. You know, just pick whatever angle you want. And then let's say that's good. Let's move this out of the way. And I'm going to select it all. I've always had to delete these interior lines that you shouldn't be able to see. But if we go to object and break the extrude group apart and then grab that original layer and move it over, take this, go up to object and group and ungroup all, and then you can take this right here and weld it. That way you're going to get all those lines gone. Now let's take our Smart Fill tool and we'll give it a shadow effect. We'll select it all and get rid of the lines. Let's make this black and get rid of the lines by right clicking. And because we've nudged, we can nudge right back. Now it's on the back side because I filled it in second. So go to object, order, back or front of page, and you get that extrude group look or extruded look. Now you can add lines back to the extrude, but it's only going to put them on the, I think I've got that selected. It's only going to put them on the edge. And then of course you can make them whatever. So it's not going to put any down the cracks because we've taken all them away. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. And thank you for watching.